We set out to pioneer the future of robotics. We've unlocked the power of advanced mobile processors that enable us to run cutting-edge AI algorithms on it. With this technology, we created Hover Camera, which allows anyone to capture photos and video from unique perspectives.
To use Hover Camera is very simple.
Power it on.
Flip it open like this, and you can hold anywhere. When you let go, it just hovers automatically.
With Hover Camera, you can take 13 megapixel photos and 4K video. We've replaced a traditional gimbal with electronic image stabilization so that your shots are always steady. Hover Camera is the first truly autonomous flying camera that anyone can use. And it's powered by our groundbreaking embedded AI technologies.
We built a ton of sophisticated AI algorithms into this small circuit board. It runs a powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 2.3 GHz quad-core processor.
This enables us to run complex calculations locally without the need for a remote server.
The AI was developed in such a way that it reduces the learning curve so anyone can operate it out of the box. That's why we've designed a revolutionary user experience that centers around hovering.
Hovering is actually more difficult than just flying.
The reason it hovers so steadily is because it's running optical flow on its downward viewing camera and visual SLAM from the front viewing camera.
That's how it gauges its own speed and position at all times. On top of that, we're running advanced flight control algorithms at 1 kHz. It's so intelligent that it follows people automatically as they move around. It does this without GPS, but instead using real-time facial and body recognition.
This is the most compact and elegantly designed flying camera on the market. It is so small that it could easily fit into a purse.
But in order to make sure that this device is safe, we've geared it up with a suit of armor.
This entire protective enclosure is made out of the most durable and lightweight carbon fiber material.
The radical design allows users to grab, throw, and catch Hover Camera, yet it lets just enough air to flow through without sacrificing the ability to hover or fly.
Tony and I, we both graduated from the Stanford Engineering PhD program.
We have about 80 plus people now and a very diverse background.
We're fortunate enough to be surrounded by a team of passionate and experienced adventurers who share our vision.
We're setting new standards for aerial robotics.
Hover Camera is always around, capturing those unique moments, enriching your vision of the world.
No, 不是不是。
莎莎，
嗨，Good boy. Good boy.
Hi, I'm Marissa Ann from Foreo, and I'm the Director of User Experience for the ISA Micro, an electric toothbrush made especially for babies and children. I have 6 years experience in children's oral care with 3 years experience in teething. I'm an expert in what babies like and what they don't like. They don't like brushing their teeth, but they do like toys. So, we created a toothbrush that's fun like a toy. Here's our innovative design. The toothbrush was inspired by a rocket ship because rocket ships are super cool. 3, 2, 1, blast off! And they have lots of soft little scrubbers that buzz and tickle your teeth and gums. They look just like octopus legs. And they even light up with happy and sad faces, so mommy and daddy know if you've brushed your teeth. And now here's Antonius from Foreo to explain how it works and why it's special.
The ISA Micro is a complete redesign of the baby toothbrush. It has soft, ultra-hygienic silicone bristles and gentle vibrations to deep clean teeth while soothing gums. This unique combination has never been done before in baby oral care. The inspiration for the ISA Micro came from when I was playing with my little nephews over the summer. I saw them chewing on this little giraffe teething toys for hours, but they fussed and struggled with the simple act of brushing, even for 30 seconds. That's when it hit me. Why not make a children's toothbrush that is as fun and safe as their favorite teethers and toys? We knew our sonic technology worked, but we wanted to make something that babies would actually enjoy using. So after thousands of design iterations and relentless safety testing, we created the ISA Micro, the world's first electric toothbrush that makes brushing safe, effective, and fun. Existing products just aren't working. Washcloths don't clean well, traditional nylon bristles are harsh on gums and harbor bacteria, and electric children's toothbrushes are too abrasive and can chip teeth or cause a choking hazard. But the breakthrough ISA Micro is made of soft, 100% food-grade silicone. Our tests found that the ISA is 10,000 times more hygienic than nylon. Plus, its completely encased design has no sharp edges or detachable part, so it's extremely safe for your child. Not only is the ISA Micro an advanced solution to existing children's toothbrushes, it also gets our little ones excited again about brushing and helps create good oral hygiene habits early on. We found that kids spend on average 50% longer brushing their teeth with the ISA Micro than with normal toothbrushes. Both children and parents really love it.
I love the ISA Micro because it's really hygienic and safe. It comes in a variety of colors that are really appealing to children. It comes with a vibration that they're not quite used to and that they really seem to love. It soothes their gums. There's so many things about the ISA Micro that we love, but at the end of the day, it makes our lives easier brushing our children's teeth. It makes their lives easier brushing their own teeth.
Well, we were looking for a toothbrush that was it had the same technology as our toothbrush and our child's toothbrush, and our kids were looking to use the same thing as mom and dad were using, so it was an easy sell to them.
We would absolutely recommend it to all the parents out there. We all use it in our family. Every one of us has a different colored toothbrush, and so we're one big ISA family. And I think that it's been so instrumental in getting our kids to brush their teeth and get excited about the whole challenge of brushing teeth.
Get the ISA Micro right now with a special offer only available on Indiegogo. You'll be one of the first to get your hands and your baby's hands on this revolutionary toothbrush before its retail launch. So join us on our journey to spread the word and promote better infant oral care with the ISA Micro, because healthy teeth means happy teeth.
We decided to build a car from scratch, a practical solution to driving in modern cities.
It's a holistic approach. The materials, the manufacturing process, the lubricants, the design and engine.
Every single element within the engine has been considered and optimized.
We get a great thrill when we can share this exciting car in the real world, from concepts developed on sketch pads and computers.
It has been a lot of hard work, but it's all paid off.
This is a car for today, intended to inspire thinking about maximizing personal mobility while minimizing energy use.
The car is now here, it works, and its performance is incredible.
We used our expertise with leading-edge products like Shell Helix to create an efficient lubricant which works perfectly in harmony with the engine, thanks to our co-engineering approach.
We've shown that we have built a very energy-efficient car.
Collaboration has been the key. We couldn't have designed this car on our own.
I hope we inspire people to think differently about car design, especially city cars.
We want to demonstrate what's possible today.
It's a small vehicle full of big ideas.
Hello, my name is Alex. I like playing basketball and to play with my best friend Chris. Also, I have a dream. I want to be free. And I know two guys who can make my dream come true. Meet Adrian and Ion. They are the engineers who are going to build a special car for me, the Avai car.
This car is a prototype designed for people with special needs. It is based on an existing chassis which meets all safety standards. It has an economic engine and an automatic gearbox. What is unique about this concept is the integrated wheelchair lift, a mechanism that lifts up and adapts the driver in front of the steering wheel. The wheelchair lift concept is in fact a mechanical assembly composed of a metal structure and two platforms which are operated by hydraulic cylinders. Other details which make the difference between a regular car and the Avai car are about the facilities which are a must to be considered in building a car for a person with special needs. We have incorporated 7 airbags for maximum safety in case of accidents. There is a special fixation system designed between the platform and the wheelchair. The platform has integrated obstacle detector sensors to avoid moments of plugging. Also, we have embedded an electronic control system that involves fire protection and an alarm button, giving the driver a higher level of safety in cases of emergency. The platform's positioning sensors are able to adjust it to the level of the ground. To increase the level of safety for the driver, we have chosen a sport chair with a 5-point harness seat belt. We have developed an app available on iOS and Android, allowing the phone to be used as a remote control. It allows to start and stop the engine, the air conditioning, guide the platform and activate the anti-theft alarm from the distance. We couldn't neglect the GPS and monitoring system features, so there is one integrated in the Avai car. This is one of Adrian's inventions. He built this trike when he was 17. He studies mechanical engineering. So does Ion, who built his buggy when he was 18 years old. Start the driving revolution for all the wheelchairs, helping Adrian and Ion to build the special car for Alex.